Welcome to my channel, Chrystal here. Let's ease into the child pose to start today's 15 minutes morning yoga flow practice. In today's practice, we're going to perform a series of dynamic stretching to make sure the body have good mobility, good pliability to support our daily movements. Because flexibility is the foundation to keep our body in a useful, supple condition to allow us to age with grace. In this opening child pose, let's slip into that beautiful state where we feel grateful, joy, and at peace. If you can practice this flow every day in the morning, you're training yourself to come to this beautiful state regularly to start your day in a positive, energetic way. From here, gently breathe in and out through the nose. Let the oxygen flows in on your inhale, and the carbon dioxide flows out on the exhale. Create the nice and steady rhythm and the pattern of the breath. While maintaining that steady breath and keep your torso down low, go ahead and crawl your upper body over towards the right side of your yoga mat, coming into a side stretch child pose. You can place the left hand right on top of your right hand, feeling the stretch cross the whole entire left side of the torso. Try to draw back the outer left hip to enhance the stretch. See if you can breathe into your left ribs and left lung. Very good. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Slowly crawl yourself all the way over towards the left side of your yoga mat. Lift your right hand up, place it on top of your left hand, allowing that outer right hip to draw back. Feeling that stretch cross the whole entire right side of your torso, imagine that you're trying to fill your right lung all the way up to its full capacity. Now come back down to the middle, both arms straight out in front of you. Extend your fingers as far as they can go. Now tuck your toes underneath the feet. Let's come into a downward facing dog, lifting the hips all the way up to the sky. From here, right leg up on an inhale, flow your right foot forward to the top of your yoga mat. On an exhale, release your left knee all the way down to the ground. Toes flat. If your left knee feels grinding into the floor too much, you can add a blanket underneath your left knee for a little extra cushion. Place your both hands on top of your right knee or right thigh. Low lunge pose. Right knee above right ankle, feeling that nice stretch to your left thigh, left hip flexor. From here, reach your arms all the way up to the sky. Take another inhale, reach up a little bit taller, then rotate to the right. Right arm to the back, left arm forward. Then take your right hand, reach it around behind the back to grab your outer left hip or waist. Left hand rest on your outer right knee or right thigh, coming into a wrap. Take an inhale, lift your chest up a little bit taller. On the exhale, peel that right chest, outer right shoulder back, turning your navel in towards your inner right thigh, a little twist and squeeze. Now turn your gaze forward. Unwrap out of the twist. Bring both arms up to the sky. Inhale, reach up. Then on an exhale, both hands down to the ground. Straighten your front right knee. Balance on your right heel. Right toes facing straight up to the sky. Half split. On an inhale, extend your heart out towards those right toes. On the exhale, allow your belly and your chest melt right on top of that right leg, stretching the whole entire backside of your right leg, hamstring. Tight hamstring is the main culprit to lower back pain. This practice will help you maintain a flexible and a supple hamstrings so the lower vertebrae of the spine are not being compressed. When we move through all these poses and flows, every link of your body chain will become strong and resilient. From here, right foot flat. On an inhale, tuck your left toes underneath. Lift your left knee up. On an exhale, step the left foot forward and bring it behind your right leg. So your legs are crisscrossed, right leg over top of the left leg. On an inhale, extend your heart out, flat back. Exhale, fold right on top of your right leg. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. One more time. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold down and let it go. Now on an inhale, rise and fly both arms to the sky. Interlace all the fingers except your index. Then lean to the left side on an exhale. Take a few breaths here. Like what we did in that opening child pose, feel the side bending stretch through those right ribs. Feel the stretch through your leg muscles all the way down to the mat. Very nice. Inhale, come all the way back up and forward fold on an exhale. Drop your hands down low. Now lift your left leg up to the sky. Inhale, passing through the standing split. Step the left toes all the way to the back of your yoga mat to a runner's lunge. Step the right foot back to a plank pose. On an inhale, then lower down, chaturanga, exhale. Cobra on the inhale, glide the body through, and then downward dog, exhale. Tuck the toes, lift the hips, and beautiful. Left leg lifts up on the inhale, left foot top of the mat on the exhale. Relax the right knee down, add the padding underneath the knees if you like. Rest both hands on top of your left knee, left thigh. Taking a couple of breaths here to just give that right hip flexor a nice little stretch. As we grow older, our hip can get very, very rigid and tight, like a vice grip. This stretch loosens that vice grip up. We start to get a little bit more blood flow circulating around that area to bring the flexibility back. Now take both arms up to the sky. Inhale, reach up and twist to the left on the exhale. Take the left hand, reach it around behind your back. Grab the outer right hip. Bring the right hand to your outer left knee, left thigh. Taking inhale, elevate tall to the chest. On an exhale, peel that outer left chest back. Let the breath lead and guide you right into the place. take your gaze forward, unwrap both arms to the sky. Take an inhale, lean back a little bit at the top. Exhale, both hands down to the ground. Straighten your front left knee, balance on your left heel, left toes to the sky, half split. Take an inhale, extend the heart forward and out. Exhale, melt right on top of that left leg. Find your edge and then gently push it with kindness and compassion. Now left foot flat, tuck your right toes in, lift your right knee, step your right leg forward behind the left leg, crisscross leg. Flat back, inhale, extend out, forward fold, exhale, let it go. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. One more time. Inhale, extend it out. Exhale, fold down, let it go. Now circle your arms up to the sky on an inhale. Straighten up and then lean to the right side, breathing into your left ribs, left lungs. Awesome. Inhale, come all the way back up. Exhale, fold down, hands on the mat. Lift your right leg up on the inhale, step it to the back of your yoga mat, exhale. Step the left foot back, plank pose, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale, lower down. Cobra, inhale. Flexibility in the spine. Then downward dog, exhale. Heels low, hips high. Very good. Now let's take what we just did and bring it into a nice steady flow. When you're ready, lift your right leg up, inhale. Exhale, right leg top of the mat. Left knee down, low lunge. Inhale, both arms to the sky, reach up, then twist and wrap on the exhale, turning to the right. Come back to the front, inhale. Arms to the sky, exhale. Hands to the ground, straighten your right knee, right leg, and right thigh. Inhale, tuck your left toes, lift your left knee up. Exhale, step forward behind the left leg. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, circle those arms up. Exhale, lean to the left side. Inhale, straight up. Exhale, forward fold. Keep your hands down, left leg up, inhale, standing split. Step it to the back of the mat, exhale. Bring the right foot back to join the left, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Cobra, inhale, open and spread. Exhale, hips high. Drop the head, downward dog. Other side. Left leg up, inhale, top of the mat, exhale. Inhale, both arms float up. Twist to the left. Find the wrap. Very good. Inhale, arms back to the sky. Reach. Hands to the ground. Exhale. Straighten your front left knee, left leg. Rebend your left knee. Tuck your right toes. Lift the right knee. Inhale. Step forward and cross it behind the left. Exhale. Flat back, inhale. Decompress, forward fold. Enjoy the stretch. Both arms up, inhale. Index finger vertical. Lean to the right. Exhale. Back to the middle. Inhale. and exhale, forward fold. Let it go. Lift that right leg up, inhale, then all the way to the back of the mat, exhale. Step back to plank, inhale. Chaturanga with control, exhale. Cobra up dog, inhale, then downward dog, exhale. Hold it here and take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Let it go. This is the end of this quick and easy 15 minutes morning yoga flow. Practice it right after you roll out of the bed and start your day with more energy and flexibility. Thank you for practicing with me today. Enjoy the rest of your beautiful day. Namaste.